In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Mailchimp account with your Facebook page by adding an email sign-up option. This will enable you to collect email addresses directly from your followers on Facebook, making it convenient and efficient to grow your list and reach a wider audience with your campaigns. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you have everything set up correctly and smoothly. First, we begin with connecting Mailchimp to Facebook. To do this, navigate to your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Integration section, which you can usually find in the account settings or the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of potential integrations. Look for Facebook and click on Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the page you want to integrate with. This is crucial because the permissions required are tied to the page ownership and admin rights. Once logged in, authorize Mailchimp to access your Facebook pages. This step is essential to ensure that Mailchimp can post on behalf of your page, allowing you to utilize the sign-up form feature. Now that we have Mailchimp and Facebook connected, it's time to add the sign-up form tab to your Facebook page. Navigate back to Facebook and go to your page settings. Scroll down until you find the Templates and Tabs option. This section allows you to customize what appears on your page's navigation. Here you can add a new tab by selecting Add a Tab and then find Mailchimp on the list. Click Add Tab. This action will create a new navigation tab directly on your Facebook page. That's where your followers will be able to sign up for your mailing list. This method is incredibly user-friendly and lends a professional appearance to your page, encouraging more signups. After adding the tab, it's crucial to ensure your changes are saved to reflect the new integration on your Facebook page. After completing the tab addition, double-check your page to verify that the Mailchimp email sign-up form tab is visible and functioning correctly. If necessary, return to your settings and make adjustments. It's a good idea to send a testing email sign-up yourself to confirm that all information flows correctly from Facebook to your Mailchimp list. This simple test ensures your integration works as intended, giving you peace of mind that new signups will go through without a hitch. With these steps completed, you've successfully integrated Mailchimp with your Facebook page, allowing you to collect new email subscribers directly from your social media presence. Hopefully, you found this process straightforward and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this integration helps you grow your audience effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to check the resource links in the video description for additional support or reach out in the comments below.